camera setup is found in the Media Settings menu under the Administration tab. We have a webcam setup as the first option in the devices list, and you'll see the camera name, video resolution, and then some other descriptors for that camera on the right. And if I select the next camera in the devices list, you'll see the Panasonic network camera. In the middle panel, you'll see the camera name, IP address resolutions, which we can change if we wish, and in the right panel, additional camera descriptors. So we've seen all the parameters of all the cameras. Let's imagine there's another camera, a network camera that we want to add to this. We'll check our little network discovery icon, and if there's a camera out there connected to the system, it will find it searching through here. Just so happens that I don't have another camera right now, so it's not finding it, but I would add it as it shows these other network cameras. So let's go record. So we open up our recording screen, and let's see what picture we have. So we have the USB camera that's connected to the device, and let's go ahead and start recording. Now let's say I wanted to add the second camera. I can come back up here to set up AV channels, and let's click the plus, and we'll select the device, and in this case we're going to use the integrated webcam. Let me kick up the resolution on that and click OK. And now I've added the second camera. So we could put those two together. We could take them, move them apart. You'll notice that this window says no audio source selected, and that's always going to be there if a camera is not recording audio. You'll notice that the USB camera is recording audio and doesn't show the same message. If I want to go back and add the review video in addition to the live video, I can jump back in the timeline or go back to review and look at the previous video while I'm still seeing live video. Now let's zoom in and look at the video controls in the video window. Now I've maximized the video window to show you different options available. The bottom left taskbar has icons that toggle our video mode, control the audio source if it's coming from the selected camera, and control the brightness and contrast of the image. The bottom right taskbar options include the magnifying glass to enable or disable your zoom controls. The Q video motion icon next to it turns the highlight motions on and off. And the camera icon allows you to take a snapshot of the video. And the video camera icon on the far right opens up the camera configuration menu that we looked at earlier, where we can adjust our parameters, for instance, the camera resolution. As I mentioned, the magnifying glass icon enables the zoom controls, and these controls allow you to zoom in and out with the plus or minus symbols. On the left, I have my pan and tilt controls, which allow me to pan left, pan right, tilt up or tilt down, or a combination of panning and tilting diagonally. Another pan tilt option is to double click your mouse on the screen to move the camera to center your view on that part of the image. You may also want to zoom to a part of the image with the zoom controls on the right, or quickly zoom to an area of the screen by clicking and dragging your mouse to create a box.